Have you ever dreamed of becoming a successful software engineer but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, from complete beginner to a professional software engineer. No degree required. Stay till the end to get a full career roadmap and essential tips to land a high-paying job. Let's get started. First, let's understand what software engineering is. It's the process of designing, developing, and maintaining software systems. Engineers can work in various domains like web development, mobile apps, AI, and cybersecurity. But don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. We'll break it down step by step. Before diving into advanced topics, you need to master the fundamentals. Start with a beginner-friendly programming language like Python or JavaScript. Focus on learning variables, loops, functions, and data structures. Websites like Codecademy, Bootcamp, and CS50 by Harvard are great places to start. Next, focus on data structures and algorithms. This is what makes you a true problem solver. Learn about arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, graphs, sorting, and searching algorithms. Platforms like LeetCode, CodeChef, and HackerRank will help you practice and improve your skills. Now, it's time to choose your path. Here are some popular specializations. Pick the one that excites you the most and start building projects. Employers love hands-on experience. Start by building small projects and then move to real-world applications. If you're into web development, create a portfolio website. If you love mobile apps, build a small app and publish it on the Play Store. The key is to apply what you've learned. In the real world, software engineers collaborate using. Learn how to use Git for version control, collaborate on projects, and contribute to open source. Having a strong GitHub profile can help you stand out when applying for jobs. For scalable applications, understanding system design is crucial. Learn about databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. Dive into concepts like caching, load balancing, and microservices. Websites like System Design Primer and YouTube channels like Gaurav Sen can help. Once you've built projects and sharpened your skills, it's time to prepare for job interviews. Learn how to answer behavioral and technical questions. Platforms like Pramp and InterviewBit can help you practice mock interviews. Also, create a strong LinkedIn profile and start networking. Now apply for internships, entry-level jobs, and even freelance projects. Websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, Upwork, and Fiverr are great places to find opportunities. Even if you don't get hired immediately, keep building and learning. Technology evolves fast. Stay updated with new frameworks, tools, and trends. Follow tech blogs, take advanced courses, and contribute to open source projects. Keep improving and soon, you'll be a highly paid software engineer. And that's your complete roadmap to becoming a successful software engineer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to, for more career roadmaps, comment below which specialization you're interested in. See you in the next video.